Day 10, Part 1, Ford Ranger rocker panel repair, passenger side, putting on the base coat. So this is what I'm using, is Duplicolor Perfect Match Cardinal Red. It's E4, that's the paint coat on the truck, and this is the product that I'm using. It's a lacquer paint. I should be able to get this panel with this one can. I'm just going to put on a light coat. Just a light tack coat starting off. A little heavy there, that's okay though. I'm doing a little bit of an overlap. I got a little bit of a wind today, so I gotta deal with that, but that's okay. I'll show you down here. Here we go. Alrighty. That's the first coat right there. Oops, sorry for the hand on the camera. Let me adjust the camera here. I'll start at the rear moving forward. Yeah, I'm gonna have to let that dry a little bit. Then I can wet that out with wet dry sand. But this is the first coat. Like I said, first coat number 1. And moving down the panel. So that's coat number 1. Just gonna do progressive light coats. Alrighty. I'll see you back on coat number 2. Oh yeah, and this is the product again. It's a Duplicolor Perfect Match. Cardinal Red.